Greetings, I'm Maria Francesca Domingo, and I'm presenting my investigatory project, Significant Difference in 9 Cups of Water Dissolving Food Coloring from 3 Different Temperatures. The purpose of my investigative project is to find the best temperature to dissolve solutes with my solvent faster. This can be used by many people to quickly dissolve their solutes especially if you need to dissolve solutes in the shortest time possible. The purpose of this study is also to answer the following questions. Will the water be heated or cooled to be able to quicken the dissolving of the solute? And can students like me recreate the experiment using household items? The main problem that my investigatory is tackling is if there is a significant difference between the manipulation of a heated solvent, which is water, and a cooled solvent in dissolving a solute. Well, the sub-problems are, how long will it take for each temperature of solvent to dissolve the solute? And is there a big difference from the speed in which room temperature solvent dissolves a solute and the speed in which the hot and cold solvent dissolves a solute? My hypothesis is that the heated water will dissolve the food coloring faster than the cold water because when molecules are heated, they travel faster. What you need to use in this experiment are 15 milliliters of food coloring in a vibrant color, 12 cups of water, 1 piece of paper or a notebook, 1 ball pen, 2 glass cups, and 1 measuring cup. Firstly, label each of the glass cups cold in room temperature and label the measuring cup hot. Chill 4 cups of water in a pitcher in a refrigerator for more than 2 hours, preferably overnight. Then, get 4 cups of water from the tap. Pour 1 cup of water into the room temperature glass and pour 1 drop of water into the glass of water and start the stopwatch. Stop the stopwatch once the food coloring is fully dissolved. Record the time in your piece of paper or notebook. Do the steps 3 to 6 more times. Next, pour 1 cup of chilled water from the pitcher to the cold glass. Then, pour 1 drop of food coloring into the glass of water and start the stopwatch. Stop the stopwatch once the food coloring is fully dissolved and record the time on your piece of paper or a notebook. Repeat steps 9 to 12 2 more times. Heat the last 4 cups of water in a Bunsen burner, cooking pot, or a tea kettle. Pour 1 cup of water into the measuring cup. Then, pour 1 cup of food coloring into the measuring cup and start the stopwatch. Stop the stopwatch once the food coloring has fully dissolved. Record the time on your piece of paper or a notebook. Repeat steps 14 to 17 2 more times. Lastly, compare the time of the hot and cold water and compare them to the room temperature water. Note, if you make a mistake, there is still an extra cup of water for each temperature. The results are, after 9 trials, I observed that the hot water dissolved the food coloring the fastest at an average of 1 minute and 10 seconds, while cold water, the slowest, took an average of 2 minutes and 41 seconds.